To start things off, this is a giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and you'll win prizes. So stick around for the details. I have lots of pieces and parts here for wood turning, and I'm going to make the prizes between now and March 1st, show the videos of me making the prizes, and then we're going to randomly pick names and give it all away. The reason I'm doing this is I have a couple channels on YouTube, and one of my channels doesn't have enough subscribers but has lots of cool, random, crazy videos that people like to watch, and so I need to bolster the subscriber count on that. And the second thing is I just thought it would be fun. So types of prizes, and I will define this, but we're going to have 15 or 20 probably. We will have bowl blanks, either complete bowl if you're not a wood turner, or if you want the blank and want to be able to turn it yourself, you can do that. I will make some bottle stoppers, some bottle toppers. I'll make some spinning tops. That's a bottle topper. Here is a secret keychain. Here is a honey dipper. Here is a cigar pen. So basically the grand prizes are things like nested bowl sets from wood that's all dry, or nested bowl blanks, or stabilized burl blanks, or stabilized burl pen items. So to subscribe, you need to find the details in the bottom of this video. You basically need to subscribe to my channel and hashtag and comment Turning Round giveaway. You can go, I have two channels, you can subscribe to both of those and comment on the video. In both of those channels, you can see my post on Instagram, share it, and hashtag Turning Round giveaway. Or if you buy anything from my Etsy store, if you can't wait for the giveaway and you want a really super cool hybrid blank like this, I'm going to have quite a few of them available on my Etsy store. And if you go to my website and subscribe to my newsletter, that'll give you another entry. So there's basically 5 ways you can enter the contest, and there's going to be lots of cool prizes. So please help me out, share, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Oh man, those turned out just amazing and beautiful. So those are prizes 1 and 2 for the giveaway, and then I just grabbed 3 and 4 for the giveaway. They're for the wood turner here and for the person that just wants a really fancy pen there.